Hey, guess what, guys? Day 53, and today we got a couple things going, but I never showed you the other side of the property because I still needed to paint. This is the carport area that leads to the back house. Actually, we've been tearing out the bathroom and the kitchen, so I'm going to take you now on the inside. We've actually put the flooring down, and today we got the fumigation come. They're going to put the tent over it. So I just want to walk you through and show you that process. This is the side entrance. And here's the dining room, living room area. Okay, and then we go off into the kitchen area here. See, we've torn out all the old cabinets, getting ready for new cabinets here next week, starting on Monday, or actually probably Tuesday, because the tarp is going to be on the house for 3 days. So here's the hallway. Take you down. It's got this little pony wall here. We're gonna put some quartz or granite on top of it, make it like a bar area. So I really like the way the floor turned out. Got to put the baseboard on. See, I painted a bluish color that really looks good with the gray flooring. Okay, so it's really coming together. Got to tear out some doors for, new doors. Doors weren't that great. Here's the bathroom. You can tell we got a stand-up shower on this side here. And then we got the bath tub there. I got this little insert for the cabinets. We're going to be putting a new cabinet in. And then actually there's one more bedroom here. And again, boy, I really like the way it's looking. Coming together real quick. By next week, I think we ought to have cabinets, bathroom done. And the big surprise is, hey, I've got a potential buyer that's gonna be putting in an offer today. Yes, definitely. So I'm excited about that. I'll keep you more informed. Even if it's as-is condition, the buyer looked into this middle area here, which again, I think it's gonna be converted to an ADU. It has 256 square feet. That's the inside laundry and where the water heater is for the main house that I'm in right now. The buyer did not even get a chance to look at the back house because it's still occupied. Still got a tenant in there, but they're in the eviction process. So there you go. I'll let you guys know more information today. Thanks, bye.